welcome to How To. The simple tutorials that even you can do. Today we are going to be doing, here's a list of things I will be using in this tutorial if you would like to follow along. There are links below to be able to get these things. I bought all of these at Bunnings, Australia. You can get similar pyrography pens online, and I'm sure you can find some scrap wood somewhere to practice, because practice makes perfect. Let's get into it, shall we?
Alright guys, let's start. Start with your watercolour pencil, create a circle in the middle of your woodwork, and then do these little tear shapes. You're going to work around and continue adding lots of tear shapes, and then grab a darker watercolour pencil and refine your lines. Make sure you know exactly which lines you're going to do first, because you don't want to overlap and cross your wood burns. Once the burning's there, it's never going away. To wood burn your straight lines, you're going to want to go the very tip of the pen. Make sure the line is completely straight to the board. Fill in all of your little tear shapes and keep adding. This is your world. This is your happiness. Make sure you bring it to this flower. Continue with your little inside parts to create dimension. Lots of little flicks. You don't want them to be too heavy. Lay your pen flat when you want shading. See how much better that is when it's flat against the board? Continue to use this technique to add your shading throughout your flower. You really want to make sure that there are dark and light points in your work. That's how it really pops from the thing. Turn your pen upside down to create your stippling effect. You want the very tip of the pen to be hitting it. Find circular motions to create the little stipples that need to be in the center of the flower. Once you've done this, lay it flat on its side and do your little middle divot. That's what a sunflower's about. Get a happy little center. Sign it, and that's how you do it, my friends.
This right here is the newest addition to our family, of course. Step up. We've always had chicken. But this is Little Lady. If you would like to see a video on, some hair. It's not yours. Alright, if you would like to see a video of the day I met Lady, and more of her on my channel, then definitely leave a comment down below. Because she's adorable. I mean, we've got plenty of videos of chicken, don't we? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new, and tag me, tag any of my socials in your artworks. I really am just like, I want to see what you do. We will see you next time. Like, follow, subscribe, I guess.